While I was waiting for the chili, I decided to whip up the squash bread. And you can see how I make squash bread in a separate video. I'll put the link right above. Yum. Can't wait. I hate to waste even a little tiny dabble. I know. It's nice in the sun, isn't it? Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Hey, don't do that. That's my chair. You got 100 trees here to scratch on. Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I should get some more food for those birds. How's that food holding up out there? How's that food holding up? Okay, let's try this. Ooh, that looks good. I actually just stirred it, so that's why it's not bubbling so much. Let's get some and give it a taste. Look at that. Rich and nutritious. Can't wait. I wouldn't change a thing. I can feel the heat from the pepper. It's salty enough. So we're done. Hi. Hi. Oh boy. Now I have something to snack on tomorrow until I get some food made in my fireplace. Oh yeah. Ooh, that looks good. That is squash walnut bread. Time to get more firewood. Where's everybody? Where's everybody else, I mean? Where are the other two? There's Tiger. Where's Patch? Why do we always have to look for Patch? Wow. Okay. Let's see. So cold. The sun is still out and it's this cold now. Oh my goodness. It's almost dinner time, kitties, so I'm going to be locking you in so we can get some warmth in the garage. Okay? To get enough wood in now for the whole day, but that cart won't hold that much. Get in here quick before the kitties see that I'm going in. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Alright. Look at this. There we go. Wow! Alrighty. It is so cold. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 ah. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my gosh. There's one other thing I gotta go check on, and that is the Mr. Buddy, which I haven't even opened. I did not give it a test drive, but we can do that together, right? So, I believe it's over there. That road looks so icy. There is no way I'm going out. I just heard about the pileup in Kentucky, and I hope there was no one injured or, godforsaken, killed. Gorgeous day. Kitties are loving the snow. Isn't that funny? All right, let's go get that Mr. Buddy. Oh, look, 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 look. We gotta take a look over here first. Look at my pansies. My pansies are covered in 5 inches of snow. Patch, my pansies are covered in snow. I was going to come out and harvest the kale, remember the other night? Oh, I didn't get anything done. Look at this. Oh, I wonder whose tracks those are. Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, they look an awful lot like that. Nope. No. No. Thank you. Stay off of my raised beds. No. 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 Not that one either. Nope. No. No patch. Look at my blackberries that never got pruned. And I just saw Danny's at Deep South Homestead blackberry pruning video today, but he wants his to be more like bushes, and I want mine to grow up like vines to go over the trellis. See, so I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. And I never pruned the African blue basil. And there it is. I can't get over these cats just running around in snow. Okay, not me. Not me with no snow boots on. Those tarps are covered up. I love it. These cats have been all over the place. There's tracks everywhere. You want to go in here? You want to go in? Come on. See if there's any mice in here. I just wanted to see if this squash froze last night. You know? Because I haven't cooked it yet. And I need to cut it up and freeze it. I wonder if it's frozen. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness, it's up on, I need a ladder to get that down. Oh no. You see any mice? Got any mice? Oh, this is heavier than the Mr. Buddy. Ooh. There we go. Hey, be careful up there. Okay? Just need a little bit more room here. You know, I ought to crank this up and see if it starts. Okay. Let's go. Come on, I want to lock that up. Come on, Tiger. Tiger, let's go. Tiger, come on. I see you. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. So, I'm going to take these. Unfortunately, this fire brick broke. But I'm going to take these 2 fire bricks and I'm going to set up a grill inside my fireplace. That way, I don't have to get out and get cold at all tomorrow. Kitties, let's get it where it's warm. Oh, it's so nice and warm in here. It's 60 degrees in here. Come on. It won't be tomorrow though. That's for sure. Good kitties. See anybody else? Where's Spot? Spot! Spot! Oh, you're... Spot's in the bed. Alrighty. Woo! I brought the bricks in. I wish this wasn't broken, but it is. But I think, unless I break it again, it'll work. Oh. You know, when I first saw this house, I thought, oh, why did they take out the hardwood floors? I don't want this manufactured flooring. But I'm telling you, it is so indestructible. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.